Welcome back to Fat City Finance. Today we have a special treat for you. We're going to share 5 ETF exchange-traded fund investment tips specifically tailored for maximizing your performance. So get ready to take some notes and let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Focus on sector-specific ETFs. Let's talk about the power of sector-specific ETFs. Various sectors are always poised for significant growth. By investing in ETFs that focus on specific industries or sectors, such as technology, clean energy, or healthcare, you can capitalize on the opportunities presented in these high-potential areas. Keep an eye on emerging trends and consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to sector-specific ETFs for potential outperformance. Tip number 2. Consider thematic ETFs. Thematic ETFs are gaining popularity for a reason. These funds allow you to invest in specific themes or trends that you believe will shape the future. Whether it's robotics, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, or sustainable investing, there's likely an ETF that focuses on your chosen theme. Thematic ETFs provide exposure to a basket of companies driving innovation in those areas, allowing you to participate in their growth while diversifying your risk. Tip number 3. Look for low expense ratios. When investing in ETFs, it's crucial to pay attention to the expense ratio. These ratios represent the annual fees charged by the fund for managing your investment. Lower expense ratios can significantly impact your long-term returns, as they eat less into your investment's overall performance. So do your research and opt for ETFs with competitive expense ratios to maximize your investment's potential. Tip number 4. Evaluate liquidity and trading volume. Liquidity and trading volume are essential considerations when investing in ETFs. Higher liquidity means there is more of an active market for buying and selling the ETF shares. This can result in tighter bid-ask spreads and smoother transactions. Look for ETFs with substantial trading volume and liquidity, as they provide greater flexibility and reduce the risk of encountering difficulties when buying or selling your shares. Tip number 5. Understand the underlying index. Last but not least, always take the time to understand the underlying index of the ETF you're considering. Make sure the index aligns with your investment objectives and that you are comfortable with the companies or assets included in the ETF. There you have it. 5 ETF investment tips specifically tailored for maximizing your investment performance. ETFs provide a convenient and diversified way to invest in various market segments, and these tips can help you make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy investing!